Hi, I'm Simon. Today we're going to show you how to test and replace the suspension spring on your LG washer. If you have experienced problems like loud banging noises or your washer being totally off balance during cycles, it might be time to inspect or replace this critical part. Before we get started, remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more useful appliance repair tips. Let's jump right in and get your washer running smoothly again. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you to do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. Let's start by gathering everything we need for today's repair job. For the job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver and a looped rope. And remember, safety comes first. Unplug the washer before starting any repairs. Open the washer door and look inside the tub. Is it totally sagging to one side? Then let's get to that side suspension spring. Get behind the washer and using the Phillips screwdriver, take out 2 bottom screws from the plastic corner brackets. Slide the top back for less than an inch and lift it off. Check both suspension springs, and if you see one hanging down out of the mounting hole, you will need to reinstall it back. Make sure the insert is not damaged. Place the looped rope under the hook, lift the top assembly and install the hook into the hole. Clip the bracket lock back in. Check the other side, reposition the spring inside the bracket if necessary. Then open the washer door and check the basket and the door boot seal positions. Install the top panel, slide it forward to lock, and secure with 2 Phillips screws. Plug the washer in and have a nice day. Great job tackling the suspension spring problem on your LG washer. We hope you found this guide helpful and that your machine is now running smoothly without those pesky banging noises or balance issues. We would love to hear about your repair experience. Feel free to share your story in the comments below. If you still need any parts, just grab your model number and visit AppliancePartsPros.com. Most orders arrive within a couple of days. Thanks for trusting us to help you with your repair project, and we look forward to joining you on your next DIY journey.